For growers, they really need rural connectivity, and 60 some odd % of farms actually struggle with having limited or no connectivity in the first place. So it's very hard for them to communicate outside of using CB radios and kind of spotty cell coverage where they can call and text each other.
Connectivity is a huge issue for us. Out here in rural America, it's difficult to get access to high-speed connectivity. So our data sensors often lapse out. We can't get them connected to Wi-Fi or to even cellular networks at times. So we're switching carriers and doing all kinds of things to try and get connectivity. So very important to us. New equipment's coming. It's got sensor-based packages. We're trying to optimize fruit quality and yield, and all of those things require better data to make better management decisions.
Innovate Ag as a smart orchard. And so we're working with a grower in just north of Tri-Cities or Pasco, Washington. These are two 20-acre lots that you can see here at the top. And these are some of the sensors that we have deployed across these 20-acre lots. And they vary from weather stations, different brands of weather stations, to soil moisture sensors, to irrigation sensors. The grower can't really look at all this data, the sensor data, unless they actually have connectivity on their cell phone.
We're just focused on being a data hub. And we do use FarmBeats as a core component, not the only component, but as a core component of ingesting data in from some of the different sensor providers.
It can be added in the base station to amplify the signal and also cover much more protocols. And you have the ability to do that over slicing on the 5G. So you can offer a slice for IoT, offer a slice for heavy broadband devices that has eSIM or SIM embedded, and also have another one for Wi-Fi or other spectrum as well.
How can we work with growers to help them through imaging and through sensor data ultimately use less water?
We're an emerging industry with lots of technology coming our way, and we need platforms like Azure and other places or other platforms that will help us to utilize data better, get rid of these data silos. Data silos make it really hard to make good decisions when you have 8 different data sets given to you and none of them are stackable or layerable. So it's a difficult thing. So we would love to engage Microsoft right here in their backyard in Washington State.